The SRT-02 kit is designed to repair solenoids with a coil diameter of 21 millimeters from the second-generation Aisin Warner transmission valve bodies. Allows for careful disassembly and assembly of the solenoid without damaging the body, and also ensures precise alignment and flaring quality as close as possible to the factory quality. As a result, the solenoid can be restored without having to be replaced with a new one. The set consists of the following elements. Let's start with disassembly. Install the first washer into the mandrel, then place the solenoid into it, as shown in the video. Flare the body. Apply force while rotating the flaring tool. Now carefully disassemble the solenoid. Clean the parts from dirt. Replace them with new ones if necessary. Let's move on to assembly. Straightening the inductor coil body is an essential step for ensuring high-quality solenoid assembly. Install the second washer into the mandrel, coil body, and stepped shaft. Prepare the edge of the coil body for crimping using a press. Remove the coil body and washer from the mandrel using an ejector. Now, all the solenoid parts are ready for assembly and crimping. Install the first washer and then the coil body into the mandrel. Place the core into the inductor coil and carefully insert the coil into the body. Install the body of the spool valve into the sleeve. Ensure the correct angular position of the spool valve and coil. Press the coil into the body. Remove the sleeve and install the rolling in its place. Align the groove on the rolling tool with the connector on the inductor and crimp the body. A special design of the rolling element with an elastic element eliminates damage to the core and the solenoid body. The solenoid is completely restored. Our specialized test benches allow us to emulate operating parameters and obtain pressure readings in the form of graphs. Contact information for placing an order is provided on the screen. Thank you for watching.